So today we will try out Deepin OS and see how it works, what components are used, and if it's any good. I mean, really it depends on you how you trust that company. It's a Chinese company. Nothing suggests that is owned by CCP, but still, I mean, they do have some kind of services and stuff to log in their operating system. So yeah, and I mean, definitely it will be phoning home, so there's no question about it. As much as I looked, there was no scandals of them sending data or collecting any data. So the system itself doesn't collect any data. There was no scandals basically of them sending these data or having something with CCP. But if you log in or use any of these applications, for example, like AI, which is included, yeah, they do definitely send some account data. First, here we could see we have two options of a kernel with which we can boot the system up. I choose kernel 6 and of course first thing language and stuff. Basically nothing interesting. And here we are now on a live desktop environment. They have kind of video built in. Yeah, we can change themes already. And here new fetch is not installed. So let's see what kind of kernel we are running in the live environment at least. So yeah, we are running 6.6.25 and yeah, that's it. It's fairly new, yeah. We don't have many partitioning options, but we could partition manually. We could do a boot partition if we had UEFI, boot/UEFI. Yeah, and dang it, I have too little space. Basically, it requires at least 64 gigs of space, which is quite a lot, but it's kinda a side effect of having separate home partition and root partition. So yeah, let's try again with more storage. And now we will fly through installation process. They are of course promoting 14th gen Intel Core processors. And we will make our username and computer name, and of course password.
A few moments later.
So here we are in a desktop, and I mean, install is pretty simple and nothing special. So as you can see, they are kinda imitating Windows 11 style with their desktop, and like start menu is really not logical at all. Like for example, here if we have free sorting, then if we click for example on a LibreOffice, that's a folder and everything else is an app, so it's not sorted by category, but we can sort by category, but there is, yeah, you know, it's not really quick. Oops, I'm opening some kind of browser. We'll also look into that. And yeah, I did install some apps, basically the ones that App Center recommended me. I just click install, kind of test if it works. So what do we get here by default? Okay, so we can also zoom start menu, so it's full screen. So we get some kind of cooperation. It's probably for file transfer from one to another PC. To find a Windows client, or they also have a Windows client, and this is their own app. Okay, downloader also then their own app. Yeah. Okay, let's exit that. Mail, probably their own app also. No, I will not try that, probably works. Okay. We have WeChat, which I installed, but what's interesting is they don't have Linux binary or Linux version at all. They only have Windows version, so that's running in Wine actually. And yeah, that I found that really weird, since probably I would guess Chinese government would kind of advocate for using that operating system whenever is possible. But looks like at least their most popular app is not ported to Linux yet. So this is their music app. You can find it on FlatHub also if you like. Their camera app, I don't have webcam, and I mean, probably works. CCTV app, also Wine, they don't have Linux version, which is weird because it's probably just Electron app. Here we have movie player. I mean, it's probably pretty garbage compared to MPV. No, that thing I installed because it was recommended, screen capture. Okay, so we have here. We wanna save that, and it's kinda unorganized. Okay, album, so their gallery. Document scanner is weirdly a GNOME app, or looks like canonical app. It's basically the same one I use, which is weird. And they didn't bother making one. What the hell is that? It's some kind of Krita replacement. I mean, not really, but still. This is our paper. What the hell? Okay, this is kind of Paint, Microsoft Paint replacement more than a Krita replacement. Oh my god, what the fuck is scrolling is broken, looks like. Image viewer, their own image viewer, just an image viewer, not a gallery. LibreOffice Draw, we have LibreOffice included, probably I installed. We have some kind of games here, and don't know, I know what it is, but don't know what's called in English. I don't know what's that. It's kind of a game. I did play that actually. Oh, we need to play. Yeah, and I mean, it's a game. Oh my god, exit. Yeah, LibreOffice, document viewer. Their own app, PDF viewer and whatnot. What the hell? Now we have more apps, and previously you could see VPS was the last one and didn't scroll further. Okay, there's VPS Office, which I installed, Photopea I installed, Deepin Union Code. What is that? What's that? That's their VS Code replacement. As I can see, it's basically the same thing. And I mean, it's probably based on Visual Studio Code, if you ask me. At least it looks the same. I don't know. Is it based on VS Code or not? You know what? Probably is not. We have GitHub page. This one's Qt libraries, so feedback. Repositories. Okay. Let's go further. I also installed Visual Studio Code. You can see it looks different, so that's why I'm saying it's probably not. It's just a kind of the same design. We have a web app. It's probably for creating web apps, which doesn't work, looks like. We have App Store. Now, since we just click on App Store, here we have like an update. What apps is apps that are already picked sometimes, and like recommended apps to install and stuff. There's also lots of wine apps in here. I will check these wine apps, what they are. I mean, they are not containerized probably, or are they? I don't know. Are they in native packages? We have HP lib driver for printer. Like that, for example, that's probably a Windows app. I mean, I don't know, might not be, but I'm pretty sure it is. Yeah, it's types is Windows app. And now I'm interested, how does it install these apps? Or okay, HDOP not installed. Up. Kind of sluggish. Okay, that's our htop. Yeah. Deepin cave in. So it's based on Qt. So these are all Qt apps. That's interesting. So probably Deepin desktop and all these apps are written in Qt, and they I mean they look like GTK basically, but I mean what the hell, can do whatever. We have quite a lot of exes running from a start, and what the hell happened with the htop? So as we can see here, I mean that's not great. I mean exes running in a background, like kind of half-assed looking, but these are basically the apps I installed. But it's weird that they are running in a background. Disable GPU. They had problems with hardware acceleration, probably. They are not using DXVK and stuff. Explorer.exe. So basically, what the hell? Why are we running a whole Windows instance in the background or what? Yeah. So we open that. It's kind of the same as WeChat, that launcher. So these are all WeChat apps. Yeah. I mean, probably the same company makes them, CCP. But it's weird that they are not. It's a login page. What the fuck is that? It's like your password, and that's your kind message to your president. So basically what this is, I don't know, some kind of educational stuff or some kind of yeah. That's actually correct placement of monitor. I know some are saying you should have eyes perpendicular to upper edge of a monitor, but I mean that's more like my configuration. I'm really low because I like kind of look a little bit more up because my posture's a little bit better then. But yeah, these are, come on, these are Windows apps, and yeah, and they are using native Vine probably. I don't think they have like containerized this stuff, and so like it's, I don't know, man. This is like running bajillion of exes in a background. Like, do you really need that? Or look at that. So we are basically running all exes. At this point, what's the point even running Linux kernel underneath? What they do really make easy to install these apps, probably smoothness of them will be questionable. Linglong LL package manager. So their package manager is called LL or something. We'll look into that. But for now, yeah, so there's lots of Windows apps available, like for example, let's find the one. Oh, we have Cloud Genshin. What is that? Is that a working Genshin Impact or what? So is that MiHoYo's cloud gaming platform, or I mean, might be, right? Or are they running all kinds of tweaks to run this game? Probably just the Electron app, which we could see. Yeah, it's an Electron app, so it's probably their cloud gaming service from China. They put lots and lots of work into like making all kind of different apps work on that system. They have like Electron wrapped Photopea. It's using some kind of weird browser, or is this from FlatHub or something? I mean, FlatHub is not installed, and I mean Flatpak is not installed, so no. Also, yeah, so let's go through settings, or maybe a little bit click stuff on their desktop, try to crash it maybe. Yeah, they don't have okay, so thing is, they don't have calculator here built into their launcher. So if we can launch from that. So yeah, there's their launcher. Probably do they have plugins? We'll see in settings. These are workspaces, your clipboard, their AI, which probably phoning home. You need to be 18 in order to use that. You need free trial. I mean, okay. Also, hi. My microphone is actually working. Thinking. Okay, let's think. So I have penguin for icon. So what's that? Made specifically for Deepin, or is their own AI? Hi, who are you?
OK 是英语中常用的一个词语，表示好的或没问题的意思，用于确认信息，表示同意或理解某个请求或建议。而也还在中文里并不是一个固定的短语或词语，但我们可以根据上下文理解其意义。如果尝试将两者结合，并翻译为一句完整的中文句子，它可能表示也还行或也还可以，意思是
Window mode, sidebar mode. I mean, they put lots and lots of work into these apps, and just shame, because I mean, no one really can use that in our country. I mean, I wouldn't use that. Like, I mean, that thing is definitely phoning home, and does it collect any telemetry? I mean, and since it's always here, probably always open in a background, since also our Windows apps are, why wouldn't that be? And yeah, it's always running in a background like normal priority, but we have network settings here. Something got installed. I clicked like an hour ago, so looks like installers really slow. That might suggest they are containerized apps. We'll check. We'll check that. This is our connection. System monitor is a sidebar system monitor. We have CPU network. We can double click that. It opens full-fledged task manager here. Yeah. Have audio here. Have sound settings. Advanced settings. Okay, we do use pulse audio. No, of course we are not. I mean, pulse audio is actually pretty damn good. So I don't have issues with pulse audio. At least, in my opinion, Pipewire is a lot less documented, so pulse audio might be even better. Have some kind of volume boost. It's like on Ubuntu, I know. Can go like crazy loud, probably your ears are now blown. Here we have line out, auto pause. Okay. We have phone settings, and our microphone is actually sharing with that. I do have microphone wired through Pulse Audio server on my main host system, so that's probably why. Automatic noise suppression. So yeah, we have now Pipewire, and since we are in settings, we have here Deepin ID. I mean, that's already something why probably you wouldn't use that in our country. I mean, what the hell, how they even change that country number here. And alright, users, we have auto login without password. We don't have settings here for groups, whatever. Okay, we go here, put 0 here. Okay, we don't have we have change password. We can't change username, which we can here put some kind of name. Why the hell you wanna have two names? We can have here some kind of Chinese manga characters or anime characters. So that's probably their own artist's work. And I mean, system looks like, I mean, it's polished, it looks beautiful. I mean, these icons look kind of jagged, but that's probably because we are running through VM. And these days, not even an issue. People have like 8K monitors, and so now we have some kind of Indian character with basically Indian name here. So display is virtual brightness and night shift. Huh. Okay, so we that's kind of weird. Like, what the hell do we do if we have location services turned off? How do we make night shift work? Change color temperature. We have that built in, which doesn't work because virtual GPU doesn't play with that nicely. We have default apps, personalization. We do have themes. Bloom. I mean, we have bloom here. We have accent colors, icon themes. Change them separately. Yeah. DSL. We have here for PPPoE connection. Can directly connect to our phone line. I mean, that's useful. We have a bunch of settings here. We have here VPN settings, system proxy, network details. Yeah, we are running in a double NAT network right now. Do not disturb app notify. We can change notification per app. Yeah. Process viewer is RH top, right? I would guess so. I mean, why this? I don't know, man. Probably not H top. I think it is H top. Yeah. So for power plants, we have basically balanced and power safe, and various powerful power plan. We don't have it. Might be VM thing. Mouse scrolling speed, double click speed. Can hide and wake up that cat. Left hand mouse. Okay, time and date format. We are using Deepin servers. Let's use Arch servers. Wow. What? Oh, we need probably my root password. Okay, I thought they have protected their server. So we are in Beijing, and yeah. How do we switch to North Korea? Come on, they are your allies. So yeah, you can check for updates. Have auto check for updates, backup updates, which sure normal in case of upgrade failure. Some kind of backup, update notification, clear package cache. Info and their agreement. Feel free to read that. In general settings. Please wait a minute. 4 minutes to change boot animation. Okay. I mean, okay, now I have a large boot animation. Probably that GIF or whatever they have here. Probably eat up resources, and this will also start slower. Setup delay, startup delay. What is that? So this is our grub settings. Okay, so are we using grub? Yeah, we are using grub. We are using pipe, of course we are using pipewire, but we also have pulse audio, but we don't have Wayland here, so it's not even they're using deep KG package manager, and yeah, there is no Wayland package. Is there Steam? Is there Steam, and is it Steam? Steam launcher. I mean, so yeah. Do they have some kind of containerized system for package installations. They probably do, because we will not install that thing. I mean, no, we will. So apt installs com.steampowered.steam launcher. It's a weird name for a package. That's the same Steam is in, I mean, this is our file manager, by the way. Downloads, we can rearrange here. Home, let's see, how do we display hidden stuff? No. I mean, where the fuck did I have buried that hidden stuff? Display hidden stuff button, where is it? Yeah, this is it. We have config and user dirs dot users. Here are these folders specified. They are on, yeah, so we have separate, in terms of partitioning, by default we have root partition and then separate /home partition. Yeah, we have previews here. Dot config we have where? Just clicked on it. Oh, we are in that config. Oh my god. I mean, we are all, I mean, come on. Troll tech style GTK plus. Deepin wine runner. Yeah, we have here pulse audio. Not a daemon config. htop config, Google Chrome config. I mean, do we have Google Chrome installed? That's weird. We don't have Google Chrome. Is that based on Google Chrome or something? I mean, I don't think so. Or what did we install Google Chrome? Will we have another config? Oh, we have package installer here. We have installed deep packages. Don't know how it will work with Ubuntu DB packages. They are made specifically for Deepin OS. We have Google Chrome. We have Chrome stable. Install. Google Play Music Desktop. What the fuck? I mean, Google Play Music is that, so don't know what's that all about. I have Opera gaming browser here because, come on. Don't say they ported gaming browser. No. Okay, that's at least good, because like running browser in Wine, and we have Android apps. Probably our Android emulator is not installed. Okay. So that thing, it's also not Wayland ready, and it's a big bummer. That Android app is not Android app. I mean, this is just an Electron app. Most likely. Doesn't even work with Google Music or YouTube Music. We have now Google Chrome. Did that make another Chrome folder in .config? Nice, we are probably using that one. Yeah, we are. So they do have Google Chrome config folder already there, prepared, probably some kind of configurations and stuff. Chrome is out of date. Come on. They're not on the latest version of Chrome, so yeah. I mean, I wouldn't trust their packages necessarily. And we are running a bajillion of apps here, probably, or some of them like Windows apps. Alpha. I mean, YouTube Music is in alpha. I mean, YouTube Music is already probably 3 years old, so if it's still in alpha, I don't know, man. We have Bilibili, which I installed, which is Electron app, most likely, or is it some kind of... It is probably some kind of Windows app, or which is already an Electron app, and then it's probably running here in Wine. So basically it's an Electron app running through Wine on Linux. It's a Windows, come on, man. This is like, there is bajillion of Windows apps and nothing is natively made, and they could probably just make an Electron app would probably work better than that. I guess they also turning off DXVK stuff, and I wouldn't think you would have here hardware accelerated video playback. Even if you use AMD, I don't think you will have. Like, I really don't. So if we click on a video, if video plays, does it play? What the hell, that is slow. Yeah, we are decoding with our CPU. And yeah, it's probably just an Electron app. Yeah, so I don't see any containerization happening with these apps. I mean, our Steam is running okay. So wait a second. I don't see, like, Bilibili is installed natively, and we have here Google PA, Deepin. I mean, that's not even like, these some apps are installed, and then Steam is home slash, it's in that local share Steam. So basically they are not using anything like Snap or Flatpak, like containerization system. I mean, of course they are installing packages so they have least privileges, at least, so they can have privileges that they really need. Now for the end, let's try to destroy Deepin OS. And let's see if they do have some kind of systemd blue screen installed. I don't know if it's default these days or not. I don't know, we should see some kind of OBD message. We try to it is dangerous, I know that. Come on. We need to Come on. Yeah. Will we see blue screen or not? Okay, it's already our Vine apps crashed. Will we see blue screen? Probably we'll delete blue screen and we will not see OBD message. Oh my god, we will not see OBD message. Did we delete htop binary? Yeah. So we don't even have a way to interact with systemd. Oh my god. We have at least one app open. And I'm surprised it even oh, come on. I mean, we have nothing basically. We deleted everything, which, I mean, we did do that, and I didn't think we could delete everything, but we don't have cat, probably we have nothing. Did Vim survive? No, probably not installed even. So yeah, we now have basically like nothing, and now we have even less. I tried to get to TTY 3, but I did that on my system, not on a VM. Probably need to send keys. Yeah. The send keys doesn't work. Either issue with our yeah, this is our logging manager. So yeah, we forced shut down that, and now start. We'll have little grub messages that basically there's nothing to boot. Yeah. This is it for that video. If you like the video, please subscribe and like, and yeah, that's all for now.